Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Made Simple. Today we are going to solve problem on boats and stream, upstream and downstream speed. So let's read the problem first. Speed of a boat in still water is 20 km per hour and rate of the stream is 4 km per hour. What is the speed of boat during downstream and upstream? So let's try to understand the concept of downstream and upstream first. And speed in still water also. So now imagine you are running in a ground which is plain surface area. There is no up and down in that. It's just on the same level. You are running on it. So you can just consider this as a speed in still water. Now let's consider downstream. So let's say you are staying on the third floor or fourth floor. While going down, you will be going downstairs. So if you go downstairs, that is nothing but downstream. And let's say when you come from out to your building and then you are staying on third or fourth floor, from the ground floor, you start going upstairs and you will reach fourth floor where you are living. So this is just to correlate the things. So speed in still water is as good as playground. So basically it's on the same level. So now imagine that if you are running on the playground, you have certain speed. Okay. So let's say you are running on the playground, you have a speed of let's say 10 km per hour. Now imagine that if you are going down, like from your fourth floor to ground floor, you are doing, whether your speed will increase or decrease. So definitely we know that going downstairs is always easy as compared to going upstairs. So we can say that here your speed will be more. And when you look at upstream, let's say upstairs, like from ground floor, you are going to fourth floor. So definitely your speed will be reduced as compared to what it was on the common playground, the plain surface area or downstairs. So upstream speed will be always less than speed in still water and downstream speed. Now let's try to solve the problem. Speed of a boat in still water is 20 km per hour. Speed of boat in still water. So as good as it's on a playground, you can say. And speed of a stream. So let's say when you are going going in river, going in water, you will have some stream flowing with you or against you. So if you are going with the stream, you will get bigger speed. So basically when you are going down, you get more speed. But when you go up, like you go against it, your speed will be reduced. Speed of the stream is 4 km per hour. Yeah. So let's find out the downstream speed. Downstream speed is nothing but the speed in still water plus rate of stream. So our speed in still water is 20 km per hour and speed of a stream is 4 km per hour. So if you want to find out the downstream speed, it's 20 plus 4, that become 24 km per hour. So downstream's speed is 24 km per hour. Now, if you want to find out upstream speed, it is just similar to downstream speed. Only the thing is, we know that in upstream, our speed is going to get reduced. So speed in still water minus rate of the stream. Because you are going against the stream. So whenever you are going with the flow or going with air, your speed will definitely increase. But if you are going against air or against water, your speed will definitely reduce. Because you need to put some extra effort. You can just imagine this with upstairs and downstairs. Or if you are driving on the lower down the slope, your speed will increase. If you are going up on the slope, your speed will definitely reduce. So upstream speed is nothing but speed in still water minus rate of the stream. The speed of the still water is 20 and upstream rate of a stream is 4. So 20 minus 4, that becomes 16 kilometer per hour. So upstream speed is 16 kilometer per hour. So if we just know the speed of a boat in still water and we know speed of the stream, we can find out this downstream speed and upstream speed very easily. For downstream, you just need to add speed in still water plus rate upstream. And for upstream, you just have to subtract it, speed in still water minus rate of the stream. Thank you.